Hello, good morning guys. Today, I'm gonna test this 2.5 HP carrier inverter AC. So, this is the indoor and also this is the outdoor. The fan motor, outdoor fan motor. But I don't have 2.5 HP compressor to test this 2.5 HP carrier. I use my simulator tester for this as a replacement of compressor. This is guys when the compressor is working, it indicates here UBW that there is output. Now it will light this UBW when the compressor is working, and likewise this outer fan motor. Now we will wait for 3 minutes to work this. Now we are to standby waiting for this. Now guys, it's working now. Compressor is working. This one. And also this outdoor fan motor is working. See. It's working guys. Okay. So by the way guys, the problem of this before was this outdoor board was not working. When I troubleshooted and checked it, I found the problem that this one of the sensor, it changes the resistance. Supposed to be it is 8K, but when I measure, it becomes only 55 ohms. And as well as the pull up resistor, which is series, this is a 30K, it becomes high resistance, becomes 45K. That's why two components I replace here. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching of this video, especially to all viewers and subscribers. Thank you very much to all of you for the support of my YouTube channel. Okay guys, see you next video.